it's just gonna be like steps on steps, like, you know, stepping stones, you know, one at a time. But it has prepared like a lot. You get to know a lot, and you get to do a lot, and you feel good about it. Like, you feel good about the things that you're doing. And you know, it wasn't our choice to go in the orchards, but I'm so glad we did it, because it was great, and it was so great to learn about the environment that we're living in for a week, and how much they work for us to have food on our plate. And so that was great, and it's gonna definitely bring me to the next step of who I want to be with community service. And I mean, sooner than later, I'm applying to colleges, and I need to think about who I want the colleges to see who I am. And so it's really going to prepare, like, not just me, it's going to prepare everyone just to feel comfort and who they're, like, what they're doing with themselves, you know? And it's just going to bring out the best versions in everybody. It's just preparing. They just prepare you. Either whether you realize it or not, you're prepared. Like, they give you just so much knowledge.